Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So our today topic is very interesting and very important. So in today's video I will teach you about strings in Python. So let's create another file and I name it 06 string in python dot py. Strings in Python. So everything written in double quotation or single quotation is called string. So suppose I write here print and in double string I write my channel name is Iron Tech. This is a string. I open it, I run it, so it will same as it is print here. My channel name is Iron Tech, but I want to store a string in a variable, and we will discuss variable in our previous video, so watch the video if you don't. So I make a variable of name, and here I write like string my name is John. So this is the variable. After that I make a variable name school, and in this time I will put double quotations and JRTC. This is a dummy name. So these are the two string variables. If you want to put a single quotation or a double quotation, it's your choice. It do not make a difference. These two have the same meaning, that these they are the string variables. So let's print out the string variables. So I click I write print and name, and again print school. Now I run this and let's see. My channel name is Iron Tech. The print my name is John, which is name variable, and school JRTC, which is school variable. So in this way you can make a string variable or string and print them. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and learn through it. In the next video I will teach you about slicing a string. So stay tuned. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.